everybody, Vince here with yet another Hungryroot unboxing. Tonight I have some green juice. I just drink it right out of the container that it goes into from the juicer, you know what I'm saying? One less dish to wash kind of situation. And I also like to put ice in my juice. It makes it better for stirring because the juice separates, all the foam is on the top. I like to stir it up. Anyways, it's just apple and celery. Very simple. I have been trying to add 1 or 2 juices into my daily routine just for more nutrition and for detoxification. I have 2 boxes today. One is a Hungryroot box, which before you click off this video, make sure you hit subscribe and the thumbs up button. It helps me out a great deal. And I also want to let you know that if you've never tried Hungryroot before, you can take $25 off your first 2 boxes, a total savings of $50 off with coupon code 25OFFVINCE. If you have used Hungryroot in the past and you've canceled your subscription, come back and try all the delicious flavors that Hungryroot has to offer. Using the link below, you can reactivate your subscription for 20% off. So why not come back and try it again? The other box I have is a new thing that I'm trying. It's from the good people at Charlotte's Web CBD. They have provided me with a few goodies to try out and review for you, and I do have a coupon code for that as well. I'm going to give that at the end of the video. Let's start with what I got from Hungryroot. Last week I told you that I customized my box. This week I did not do that. I wanted to see what happened if I just did nothing, and this is what we have. Now, I want to let you know that I do use the preferences feature on Hungryroot.com. So if I like something, I will say if I like it always, sometimes, or never. There are some things that I have marked never, like the avocado crema and the crunchy carrot lentil mix. Those things were just kind of overplayed for me. But now Hungryroot has been offering new things. Almost every week it seems like there's something new, and I love that. And it looks like in the future they're going to be partnering with other brands to bring us more products that are healthy, nutritious, vegan if you want them to be, just wholesome ingredients sent to your door so that you can create the healthy, nutritious, balanced meals that you want to have in your home. First thing is banana bread overnight oats. I also like to mix this with the black bean brownie batter and then bake those into cookies. It makes the cookies more substantial. It makes them more of like a breakfast bar. I have to make granola out of this. So simple. All you do is mix this with a little bit of egg white and spread it out on a parchment paper lined sheet and just bake it until it's nice and granola-like. That's all it takes. If you're vegan and you don't use egg white, let's see, what can you use to replace? Almond butter. Try that. This is a chunk of smoked salmon. It is a strange shape, but it doesn't matter. It's all the same to me. Now this is the hot roasted smoked salmon. Hungryroot also offers the cold smoked salmon, which is like a sliced piece of smoked salmon. Alright, veggies. I have 2 bags of the kohlrabi noodles. It's interesting that I got sent these because I don't think I gave these a preference rating on the website, and now I have 2 of them. So these noodles hold their texture, unlike a zucchini noodle, which if you overcook it could turn into mush. These keep their shape and their texture because they are made from kohlrabi. And they're pretty much flavorless. They're going to take the flavor of whatever sauce you put on them. Speaking of sauces, I have the superfood tomato. Last week I got 2 of these. Like I was saying in my video last week, think about what you need. If you got 2 of these last week and you're not using 2 in a week, they save for a long time. Had I customized my box this week, I wouldn't have got this, but now I have it. So I'm actually going to do an experiment and see if I can put this in the freezer and then defrost it and use it. I'll let you know. Some other veggies that I got this week. The cauliflower rice, which is great. You can use it for so many different things. I've even seen people in the Facebook group turning this into cauliflower pizza crust. By the way, if you're not in the Facebook group and you like Hungryroot, there's two of them. There's the group that I created called Hungryroot Fans, where people share recipes and ideas, and there's also the official Hungryroot Facebook group, which is run by the company itself. I think it's amazing because they actually field customer service questions through that group, and they talk directly to their customers. Even the CEO gets on there and chimes in. It's pretty awesome. I've also got the Super Salad Blend, which can be eaten cooked or raw. It works both ways. I think this week I'm going to make this into a stir fry. Only one of the grains this week, and it is the 7-grain blend. I think this is new. This has organic brown rice, organic wheat, organic barley, organic flaxseed, organic millet, and organic wild rice, organic red quinoa, and organic corn. It is one of those things like the Uncle Ben's rice, where all you have to do is tear the pouch slightly and then put it in the microwave for 90 seconds and then just stir it up and it is ready and good to go. It's so convenient. And the nice thing about the Hungryroot version is that it's not loaded with chemicals and salt like some of these commercial varieties would be. All you have to do is throw this in the microwave, heat up some of your proteins, or top it with a salad like the cucumber bean salad. This is the cucumber corn black bean salad. And then take a little bit of your green chili sauce and you have yourself a fiesta bowl of some kind. Yes, that sounds lovely, doesn't it? And it's ready in 90 seconds. I'm seriously telling you guys, like, it's the convenience factor. And the fact that it's all healthy options to put in your fridge and pantry. You really can't go wrong, even when you don't customize your box. I mean, maybe I got lucky. Let me know if you guys have gotten a terrible box. But I think the reason why mine is okay is because I use that feature where I say if I like things always, sometimes, or never. I think that's very important in the algorithm that the website uses. 2 other proteins this week besides the black bean salad. I have the wild mushroom chicken meatballs. I made soup with these once, like an Italian wedding soup. That was really good. And we have some orzo pasta in the cupboard. Maybe I will make some Italian wedding soup with these. This is 3 servings. A serving size is 3 meatballs, and that's only 80 calories. They're made from chicken and mushrooms and organic spices. They don't have a lot of salt. These are just a little bit better for you, and they pair very well with any of the Hungryroot bases and sauces. The other one I got is the sweet Italian chicken sausage. I got this last week and I threw them on the grill. They grilled up perfectly. The taste is right on. These are great with pasta, with veggie noodles. I might pair these with my kohlrabi noodles and my superfood tomato and have an Italian-inspired dish. I've already got a couple meals planned and I haven't even really put much thought into it. All I have to do is pair these ingredients together and you have a meal that's healthy, fast, fresh, delicious. 2 other sauces that I got this week are the garlic parm and the green chili. I like to use the green chili to make things like enchiladas. It's great on eggs. It's great on your fiesta bowl, your burrito bowl. It has a really nice flavor. I also have the garlic parm. I will probably pair this with the kohlrabi noodles and some of the chicken sausage, or the cauliflower rice and some of the chicken sausage. Or I will just put it in the fridge because after I open it, it's good for 7 more days. I have 2 jazzy extras, that's what they're called. I have the probiotic sriracha hot sauce, which I haven't had in a while. It hasn't actually been available, I'm not sure why, but it was available this week and I got it. I'm so excited. It's so delicious and tangy, spicy. It gives you that kick, like a tangy, zippy kimchi kick. It's basically like kimchi sauce. And this is the crunchy bean toppers. This is just meant as a topping for your grain bowls, for your salads, for anything like that. It also is good as a snack. You can just eat it like this, straight up. It doesn't have as much flavor as the seed sprinkle because the seed sprinkle is seasoned with different spices, but this It's a pretty plain flavor and it does add a nice crunch. Last but not least, I have two desserts. Two old classics, the almond chickpea cookie dough and the black bean brownie batter. Hungryroot is famous for these. You can eat them raw because they're vegan, or you can bake them into cookies. You can make them into breakfast bars if you combine them with the oatmeal. This is just great to have in the fridge. If you're craving something sweet, just grab a spoonful of this and it'll take care of that craving for you, and you're not going to be bogged down with a lot of gluten or white sugar. It uses coconut sugar, and this is good for you. It's filling, it has more fiber. I'm not saying to sit down and eat this whole thing in one sitting, but this is something that is good to have around if you have a sweet tooth and you're trying to be healthy. Okay, so before we go, I just want to show you what the good people at Charlotte's Web sent me to try out. They have a wide variety of CBD products. If you're interested in more information about this company or CBD products in general, let me know in the comments. Just put "show more CBD." I want to know exactly if you guys are interested in this or not. But Charlotte's Web is based in Colorado, and they have a great story if you want to read it on their website. It's a family-owned company, and they were awesome to send me these products to try. CBD is popping up everywhere. CBD is the beneficial phytocannabinoids found in hemp oil, and a lot of people claim the benefits of these. The main benefit of the Charlotte's Web products is to just ease daily stress and to just bring more focused calm into your life. And I definitely have experienced that by using these products. I don't like to use melatonin to fall asleep. For some reason, I don't get the same benefit that people get when they take melatonin. For me, it just makes me feel crazy. In fact, it keeps me up. But these products actually have provided more calm to help me fall asleep. And I have two different products here. I have the gummies, which promote calm. I like these a lot because they're gluten-free, non-GMO, and they are vegan if you're vegan. The ingredients are ingredients that I trust, ingredients that I can read. These are the lemon lime flavor, and they have lemon balm in them. Anyway, if you're taking the gummies, you take 2 of them, and I like that they're very natural looking. They're not coated in sugar. They don't have an overpowering smell either. They just smell like hemp and lemon balm. As far as the flavor, it's actually a really good flavor. It doesn't have an overwhelming herb taste to it. These digest very nicely. They don't have a lot of weird ingredients in them, so they won't upset your stomach. They don't have a lot of oil in them either. And they're vegan, so they don't have gelatin. So 2 gummies is going to give you 10 milligrams of that CBD, which is just going to help ease your stress and promote focused calm. The other product that they sent me is the CBD oil, which 1 dropper gives you 17 milligrams of CBD. So a little bit higher of a dosage. And you can put this in your coffee. A lot of people that are on the keto diet are boosting up their coffee with this and starting their day off right. But all you have to do is just take a dropper and just ingest it like that. Personally, I like the gummies. It's like a treat at the end of the day or at the beginning of the day whenever you're planning on using this. I like to use it at the end of the day just to help promote calm and just make me feel relaxed. I know this is not really something that everybody's gonna like, but I thought I would share it with you here. If you're interested in buying anything from Charlotte's Web, you can get 10% off your purchase. There's no coupon code. All you have to do is use the link below to start your shopping. 10% off site-wide, and it doesn't expire. So go ahead, fill up your cart, get some gummies, get some oils, and just go ahead and chill, man. I'm gonna finish my green juice and just chill, because I took my CBDs, I'm drinking my green juice, I'm eating my healthy food, Look at me, I'm just trying to do my best here. So I hope you're trying to do your best also. Give Hungryroot a try, give Charlotte's Web a try. Let me know what you're doing to make your life a little bit healthier and a little bit more fun and a little bit more adventurous. And I'll see you next time.